Hello everyone, welcome. Let's discuss the steps for data cleaning.
Look at the data, Ava. It's too dirty. Our model isn't learning. You're right, DataBot. It's a mess. We need to clean it. We can do it together, Ava.
Data comes from many sources, but not all of it is useful.
Some records have missing values that need attention.
We can remove incomplete records or replace missing values intelligently.
Duplicate records can confuse the model and must be removed. Duplicate detection beep. Deletion effect.
Outliers are unusual data points that may affect learning.
Different scales must be standardized so the model learns efficiently. After cleaning, the dataset becomes accurate, reliable, and ready for training.
Clean data helps deep learning models achieve higher accuracy and better predictions.
Yes, 98%.
The final step, data optimization achieved.
Your dataset is clean and ready for deep learning model deployment.
Yes.